Hi lovely people, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well, and if you are new here, welcome and thank you for checking on this channel. To my new subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing, and to my old subscribers, thank you so much for sticking around. Yeah, so I've been away for a while now and I'm so excited to be back, and I'm gracing your screen today with this tasty corned beef shito, and I hope you will like it, and I know you will love it when you try. As I always say, no long talk biao, EB2. Okay, let's get started. So I have here my chopped onion, garlic and ginger, and then I have here some crushed chili pepper. I have here dried herring powder. Then I have some Argentina corned beef, tomato puree, shrimp powder, and then vegetable oil, of course. You can use any other oil. Then I have here onion, diced onion to start with, then some salt to taste, stock cube, and coconut oil for the flavor, which is optional. You can choose not to add the coconut oil. Yeah, so now I'm going to blend my chopped onion, garlic, and ginger together with a bit of vegetable oil to make the cooking process faster. Now I'm done. I'm going to mix the blended stuff with the dried stuff, which is the crushed chili pepper, dried herring powder, and the dried shrimp powder together. If you've watched my previous shito recipe, you will know that this is how I mix my shito. Whenever I'm making shito, this is how I make it to give me the tasty results. So I'm going to mix it and then set it aside for about 10-15 minutes to marinate. Now I'm adding my vegetable oil to my pan, which is on medium heat. I'll fry my diced onion till it's translucent and a bit brown. Now I'm going to add my tomato puree. I'll stir and let it fry for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now it's nicely done. I'm going to add the corned beef. And the reason I'm adding the corned beef now is because the corned beef has moisture in it, and shito doesn't need any moisture in it. So I'm going to fry it to remove the moisture in the corned beef and separate it and make it dry to help your shito stay longer and fresh. Now the corned beef is fried nicely and separated and is also dry. I'm going to add the mixed stuff, which is the blended ginger, onion, garlic, plus the crushed chili pepper, dried herring powder, and then shrimp powder. I'm adding my stock cube to it, and then salt to taste. I'll give it a stir and then add my coconut oil to it. Now I'm going to give it a stir till the shito is well cooked and done. So with the coconut oil, I always add just a bit of coconut oil to my shito because I like the flavor and taste it gives to my shito, but I don't like the coconut oil to take over my shito. That is why I always add just a bit of it. Yeah, so if you don't like coconut oil in your shito, don't add it. Or if you like, you can use only coconut oil to make your shito, which will be perfect. And yeah, so as we all know, Shito is very versatile. It goes with the famous wake or wache, and it goes with banku, kenke, rice, bread, a lot. Yeah, so I know some people like their Shito very darker, but mine, I always like mine to be in between, not too dark, not too light. So yeah, it's almost done. So I'll keep stirring it till I get the perfect color I want. Then I'll just off the heat and then let it cool down and keep it in a jar with a lot of oil on top of it. Thank you so much for watching. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do, and let's keep popping with yumminess. And click the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload new video. Till next time, peace.